big news. The central government has hiked the excise duty on petrol, diesel and natural gas by 2 rupees per litre. However, the price hike is not going to pinch the consumers. The Ministry of Petroleum has informed that oil companies will bear the brunt of the excise hike and not pass the burden on the end consumers. Now, this basically means that there will be no increase in retail prices of petrol, diesel or natural gas. In fact, Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri briefed the media about this hike in the excise duty of petroleum products and assured that the end consumers have nothing to worry about.
Let me clarify up front on the record. We've already issued a clarification to the ministry. This will not be passed on to the consumer. Look, international price of petrol came down to around $60 a barrel, $60 of crude per barrel in the last day or so. But please remember that our oil marketing companies, with whose work I'm more familiar, but even the private sector companies, they carry inventories over a 45-day period. And if you go back to, say, early January, the crude price then was $83, which came down subsequently to $75. So the crude inventory that they're carrying is at $75 on an average per barrel. So, but if your question is going forward from here, if the price remains at $60 a barrel as it is today or thereabouts, and I'm not going into the Indian basket or Brent, etc., I'm not going into that, then can you legitimately expect prices of petrol and diesel to be moderated by the oil marketing companies in keeping with the global price? To which my answer would be yes. In a deregulated sector, you can expect them to accordingly adjust the market retail price.